You might be watching this video asking, why are these guys climbing? Day 5 in the boundary waters. We've got a sight. To behold. And now you can see for yourself. Miles Island on Seagull Lake.
You're right. You brought happy hour.
Affected by a forest fire.
Like this is the place to have happy hour. Yeah.
There's Dawson with happy hour offerings. We rode.
Where the heck did we came
We came from there.
How far?
Earlier today, probably about 3 miles. Was it?
Wow.
And it was cloudy and windy and cold. Now it's sunny and warm and beautiful. Someone's been here before us. Huh? I know, I was noticing that on my panoramic view here. I was like, oh, there's a peak. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I think this is you, right? Yeah. Gorgeous.
This is what Mark was doing on the day his son was born. What do you say, new daddy?
Well, that's one of those